ट्रॅव्हल करतले फायनल पळोवपाक आनी आमी सगळे एक्सायटेड आहा कित्याक आमी जाणा आमचे गोंयकार फॅन्स आमचे खूब येतले आनी सगळे रेडी आहा फायनल खेळपाक. फाल्यां एक दीस प्रॅक्टीस करतले आनी मागीर आमकां रेडी रावपाक जाय फायनल खेळपाक.
How is the morale in the team?
Everyone is excited, I think, and they are really feeling great. I think the atmosphere is good in the dressing room when we are training, and I think this atmosphere is really important because we are playing a great final ahead, and I think we have to give our best.
I would like you to come the same way as you all came to Bangalore, Bombay for your support, and I want you all to be the same in large numbers, and we will win this trophy at any cost.
Tough team, they are the favorites to win, but we will give our best. We will make it hard for them, and hopefully we will win. Much for everything, the support that you people have given us. It's been a pleasure serving for this club, and we will win the finals.